Hey guys, all right. So today we're going to be talking about a feature in Logic Pro X called Strip Silence. Essentially what this does is it takes away all of these gaps in your audio. I've gone ahead and I've made a little sample track here. Let's listen to it.
8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm shooting this video, wishing I could go and keep my eyes closed.
So to access Strip Silence, what you want to do is click the file that you want to strip the audio from and hit Control X. Now this window is going to pop up. Now these boxes around the audio show you where the cuts are going to be made, and you can adjust all these different parameters down here and try to get the cleanest take possible. That looks pretty good. So we'll hit OK, and boom, just like that, your audio has been trimmed. Now from here, you can highlight, you can go over here to more, you can change your fade ins. Let's put 20, and your fade outs, let's do 30, and boom, just like that. In just a few clicks, your audio has been trimmed and faded. Hope that helps. Be sure to subscribe for more tips.